slept well last night. Uh, I'm Joe, of course. I'm pretty mad at myself this morning because I woke up this morning, logged on early, and I seen my scanner had CIDM on it. When I first saw it, it was trading about 500,000 shares. So right about let me see, it's 6 o'clock in the morning. So here we go. Right about here, price is like 195 when I first saw it. It was trading like 1 million shares. I'm like, man, this stock got a lot of shares being traded this morning. What's going on with this thing? So I logged on, looked at the news, it had no news on it. So a lot of times when you see a stock that has no news on it, either A, it's some insider trading going on, or B, preparing for some news to come out. So because the news come out in the stock does not necessarily mean stock can go up. It can be good news, stock still goes down. It can be bad news, stock can go up. What? What are you saying, Joe? Here's what I'm saying. Check the technical analysis at all times. Even though you see the good news come out, does not mean necessarily the news will rise. Now, I made a trade in my small account on CIDM. I watched it for like an hour, hour and a half. Now, I went to the group and said, hey, listen, take a look at this CIDM and YVR. The volume is increasing. So, and I'm saying to the group, I still didn't buy in yet. I'm still watching it. So finally, I said, you know what? Let me quit messing around with this thing and go ahead and buy in. So I saw it kept bouncing here off the green line, which of course is my EMA. It kept bouncing and bouncing. Like, let me buy on this next bounce. So when I saw the next candle after this previous bounce get halfway up there, I bought in. So it was rocky ride at first. Like, okay, cool. The volume's picking up. We had 10 million shares being traded. We had 20 million shares being traded. I'm watching it go. So my sell point was $4.10. Now I bought in somewhere around 323. There we go. I bought in 323, and my sell point actually was, let me see. My sell point, which is not even showing me right now. Let me go smaller. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna show you my sell point. Let me go 180 day, 4 hours. Maybe show me that. So my sell point was actually $4.08. So I bought in at 323. I sold at $4.08, as you can see over here, for a $1,200 profit. Now, as you also see, the freaking stock is still rolling. So I'm doing is logging on to my large account and making trade in my large account, because this is a small account and I can't trade as much as I want to. Also, I want to show people in the group that I'm doing exactly what I'm saying, and you can do the same exact thing. So 1,200 shares cost me almost, well, you're gonna say $3,800. So $3,800 buy-in made me $1,020.20. Let me go back down to the 5-minute chart right quick while it's still going. So the 5-minute chart, as you can see here, at the RSI, you'll see it's overbought, but it's steady making small pullbacks. See, I bought it right there in that second candle of the pullback, and then it dumped on me. So I held it for a minute, knowing it's gonna recover. It recovered, and it kept going from that point forward. You look at the MACD as well down here, straight incline. So you know it's buyers coming in. Look at level 3, buyers piling up. Look at level 2, the buyers piling up. You got a big seller here at $4.20 though. If you look here at the resistance and support, I'm gonna draw a line here. Well, you can't really find a clear resistance or support. Right now it's clear resistance, clear support. It's basically pretty much gonna go parabolic. I would be surprised if this stock here didn't cross $5 within the first 2 candles of the market opening, or even a halt on volatility. So I just bought into my large account at $3.98, and I'm gonna hold it for approximately, we're gonna say now, $1 move. But of course things change, and I'm not being greedy. I just see the news, which is right here, that popped up telling you a partnership. So when that news popped up 9 o'clock, I knew immediately I was good. I just bought in. I'm A1. So I'm gonna watch it for a bit. I'm in now my large account at 398. I'm just waiting for a bit for this pullback here, profit taking pullback, and I can almost guarantee the first 2 candles, this thing gonna halt. I mean 5-minute candles, not 1-minute candles. The first 2 5-minute candles, this thing probably gonna halt, and I already be in anyway at 398. Let's go back further, y'all. 15-minute 5-day 15-minute chart. So in the 5-day 15-minute chart, remember all these candles are 15-minute candles. As you can see, it was green, it was bulling the whole way. So I bought in a 15-minute candle, not really watching the 5-minute candle. Now, when I buy in a stock, I watch the 15-minute candle. I want to see the big picture, and I care about the previous 45 minutes and the next 45 minutes where it's gonna go. So I buy in the second and third green candle, like I did right here. As you see here, this is a red candle. 1, 2. I bought in the third green candle. So I buy in the second and third green candle on a 15-minute chart, depending on how the RSI is looking, depending on how the MACD is looking, and depending on support that's going on at that current moment. So I would buy in the second and third green candle and watch and see what happens. So as you see the green candle go, 15 minutes is showing you it's still bullish, right? It's showing the RSI still going. It's showing the MACD straight up, right? 15 minute. Now the 5-minute going to show you smarter pullbacks, of course. So the 5-minute is showing you a whole different ball game. It's showing you pullback, right? It's showing you indecisive MACD. But you know 15-minute chart saying something different. It's telling you it's going up. So right here you can see the resistance is right here now at 420. And this first red candle here you see after the green, it's profit taking. Look back further. Large greens, red, profit taking. Large greens, red, profit taking. Large greens, red, profit taking. So what happens next? Look up top here. We got 216, 215 remaining for the market opens. Now you know it's a sequence here. Large green, profit taking. Large green, profit taking. Large green, profit taking. What happens next? Large green. So with that being said, I'm about to put a video in the group. Take a look at it. If you have questions, just ask me. All right.